Welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Snapchat password. So what do you want to do is basically follow these steps. Just get into Play Store and make sure that your Snapchat application is updated. And if it's updated, you're good to go because the new features won't be available on the previous versions of the Snapchat. Now what you need to do is get into your Snapchat account and go into login. Once you log in or tap on login, this is the account or page that opens up. So in this, you are going to write your username. Afterwards, you're going to write your password, and if you don't know your password, just tap on forget your password. So now a dialog box would appear up stating you options like please choose how you want to reset your password, that is through via phone or email. So once I tap on email, now again a new dialog box would appear that would suggest me to open through either Samsung Internet or Google Chrome. Now this page has appeared up stating reset password. If you do not know your current password, you may change it. Now I would put my email in it. Now once I have submitted it or tap on submit, we have sent you a verification email. Open it and tap the change password link to continue. So it suggests it has sent me a verification email. Now I would eventually get into my email. So now I'll open up my email and see whether it has it or not. So yes, I've got that Snapchat. So I would simply tap on it, and once I have tapped on it, you see that the password would be resetted. So now I can write a new password, confirm new password, and my Snapchat account would be good to go as before. So this is how you do it, and if you guys have any confusion or trouble, you guys can ask me in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel. Till next time, peace.